Susan, you're here today attending the Spark Your Teaching session for postgraduate students that are embarking or already embarked on their teaching journey at UCC. I was just wondering, is there one key thing that you've learned in the day that you would like to share with our other students that are participating in these modules?
Okay, well for me, the main thing I'm taking away is to embrace diversity, that the whole diversity in the education setting has become the norm, and to be mindful of that as I embark on hopefully a tutor development journey. And also, I suppose, the whole concept of the purpose and task within the classroom, I think will help me have more empathy from the student's perspective in learning. So I think both of those are very alive as I go forward from today.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
And then in terms of enacting that, the practical steps that might, or the practice of that, how do you think that will work in your own teaching going forward?
Yes, I remain curious, and I'm very enthusiastic at now taking this learning from today and actually implementing it, because I do genuinely feel that circumstances impact on performance, and I want to go away and reflect on all of that now. And how I can bring it with me.
Wonderful. So
yes.
Pause for reflection before
reflection before doing is critical.
Okay, thank you
yes.
so much,
Thank
Susan.
you.
Thank you for your time.